In a sunlit kitchen, Clover the Calico wakes with a whisker twitch and a mission to spread morning joy. She charms the humans with gentle paw taps, invites play with a dangling string, and negotiates snack treaties like a tiny diplomat. Outside, Clover befriends a brave sparrow and dodges a curious puppy, proving that curiosity can be a peaceful bridge. Her quirks shine as she orchestrates a soft chorus of purrs and tail flicks that cue the day's adventures. By dusk, she curls in a warm lap, proud of a day full of mischief, bravery, and love, a whiskered heart.